Sino lang ang alam ng hello?
Hello?
I've been alone with you inside my... Hello? It's me you're looking for. You're looking for. Together there you are. So let me start by saying...
May count pa eh, no? May count pa yung ano. I love you.
Dapat may count kasi hindi ako mapakali kapag na-count. Sino ang nakakalam ng tell me how am I supposed to live without you? So tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Reunited Avenue.
Katayin mo, katayin mo.
Reunited cause it feels so good.
Yeah.
Reunited cause I understood the love again and I never did. Something. Hey.
Baka bago naman, be.
Bago.
Bago.
My word. Ay, me, that's you. Bakit? Marakot kayo. Ayoko na. Tapusin mo. Parang kayo nasa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Ay, naman.
Tatawanan niya ako, talent ko yun. Wala. Napalagay niyo kapag sumali ako ng singing competition.
Yan ang kakatayin mo.
Hindi, ayaw ko nga kay Justin Bieber eh.
O, yung lang, one time.
Kilala niyo si Bon Jovi?
Oh. Pangalan lang alam ko.
Goodbye. Okay. Sige lang. Alam mo yung goodbye mo? Always na anak. Sulat sa balik.
Somebody.
Ito ni Michael Bolton.
Michael
Say I love you.
Oo, kung tama lang. Sige, sabi.
Say I love you. Bye. Something. Yun. Pangit ko.